students, let's continue chapter 4 rational number. So today's topic is addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So it is almost same as fraction, but in fraction we had only positive numbers, but in this we have negative and positive numbers both. Now look at the first question. Add 3 and by minus 8 and 1 by 8. So first see, its denominator is negative. We make its numerator positive by multiplying minus 1. So here it comes minus 3 by 8. So minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So now see, denominators are same, LCM remain 8 only. We will do the operation, we will add only numerators as it is. When denominator is same, we add numerator as it is. Minus 3 plus 1. So what answers comes here? So minus 3 plus 1. Opposite signs in integers, we know when opposite signs comes, we subtract the numbers and sign of bigger term comes. So 3 minus 1, it is 2. And sign of bigger term is minus 2 by 8. Now see, it is in standard form or not? First standard form's condition is denominator should be positive. So its denominator is already positive. Now is there any common divisor between 2 and 8? Yes, 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So its standard form is minus 1 by 4. This is your final answer. Look at second question. Add 27 by minus 4 and minus 15 by 8. In this, the denominators are not same. In the first sum, the denominators were same. So we know that our denominator should be positive. Again, we multiply it by minus 1. So here minus 27 by 4 plus minus 15 by 8. I want to advise you that wherever you see number with minus sign, keep it in bracket. So LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So its LCM is 8. So here 4 2s are 8. So we multiply by 2. Here it comes minus 54. Next 8, it remains as it is, plus minus 15. So now there is 2 sign between two numbers. So always remember there is only one sign between two numbers. So here it is 2, we will make it 1. Plus multiply by minus, it is minus. We have done this in integers also. So both the terms are of minus. Whenever we have same sign, we add the numbers. Okay, so we both are of minus, we add the number. 54 plus 15, we get 69. So but sign of minus comes. So what will be our answer? Minus 69 upon 8. So see, it is in standard form? Yes. Nothing is common between 69 and 8. So this is our answer. Next topic is additive inverse. So what is additive inverse? It is just an inverse of sign only. If the given rational number is positive, we will make it negative. It is negative rational number, we will make it positive. So here it is, first part is 5 by 9. So it is positive rational number. So its additive inverse is additive inverse of 5 by 9 is minus 5 by 9. Additive inverse of 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. What about 8 by minus 3? First we will make it denominator positive. So its additive inverse is, what is its additive inverse? It is negative rational number. So you can see it is negative rational number, its additive inverse is plus 8 by 13. It's very simple. If it is positive rational number, its additive inverse is negative. If it is negative rational number, its additive inverse is positive. So 0's additive inverse is 0 only. Now look at the fourth question. Subtract minus 5 by 7 from minus 2 by 5. So here it is. Again, I'm just keep it in bracket. Any number with negative sign, keep it in bracket. So subtract this from this. So from terms always comes first. Subtract minus 5 by 7 from minus 2 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 comes first. Subtract means minus. These are two terms and we want to subtract first term from second term. So minus 2 by 5 remain as it is. Again I telling you there are two signs. So if you want, you can see, you can do in this way also. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So take the LCM. Take the LCM, it is 35. 5 7s are 35. We will multiply numerator by 7 also. It is minus 14. So 7 multiplied by 5. Here it comes minus 25. Again there are two signs between two terms. So we will make it was one sign, minus into minus. It is plus. So see, these are opposite signs. Whenever we have opposite sign means one term is of negative sign and one is of positive sign. We subtract the numbers. So just subtract 25 minus 14. Here it comes 11. 11 by 35. What about sign? Sign of bigger term come. Here bigger term is 25. So sign is of plus. So it is almost same addition and subtraction of fraction we have done. In this we have to be very particular about the signs. Now next question. What is to be added to this? Now what is the question? What is to be added to this minus 5 by 7 to get minus 2 by 3? What is to be added to minus 5 by 7 to get minus 2 by 3? Let it should be x. We have added x. So x remain as it is. Minus 2 by 3 remain as it is. So this term minus 5 by 7 moves to right hand side. We transpose this left hand side term to right hand side. So here it is negative, it becomes positive. When we transpose, we know that sign changes. If it is minus, it becomes plus. If it is plus, it becomes minus. So LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So here it is multiplied by 7. We get minus 14. Here multiplied by 3, we get 15. Again we get opposite sign. We subtract the numbers. So 15 minus 14 it is 1. Denominator remain as it is. So the sign of bigger term is plus. So here what comes? Plus. So our required number that is to be added to minus 5 by 7 it is plus 1 by 21. So I hope it is clear to you. Look at the sixth question. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 5 by 6? What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3? So we want to subtract something from minus 2 by 3 to get minus 5 by 6. So what is to be subtracted? Suppose y to be subtracted. So what we will do? We want to find out the value of y. First we make our unknown value positive by transposing it. So minus 5 by 6 as it is. So this goes to that side, it becomes plus. So minus 2 by 3. Now we want to find out the value of y remain as it is. So this becomes plus. When we transpose this minus 5 by 6 from right hand side to left hand side, it becomes positive. So now LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So simply multiply by 2. Here it comes minus 4 plus 5 is equal to y. So what we get here? Y is equal to minus 4 plus 5 by 6. So both have opposite sign. When we have opposite sign, we subtract the terms. 5 minus 4 it is 1, and sign of bigger term comes. Here the bigger term is 5. So it is, final answer is 1 by 6. So y is equal to 1 by 6. Now look at 7th question. The sum of two rational numbers is minus 4 by 3. If one of them is minus 5, find the other. Now they said find sum of two rational numbers. So this is sum of two rational numbers. One of them, we know minus 5 is 1, minus 5 is one number. And sum of two rational numbers, sum means plus, is minus 4 by 3. So we know sum of two rational numbers. We know one, but what is the other? Let it be y. So sum of two rational number is minus 4 by 3. So again, y is the unknown value, it remains as it is. Minus 4 by 3 remain as it is. So we transpose minus 5 from left hand side to right hand side. So it becomes plus. So nothing is in denominator, we put 1. Now the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So it remains minus 4 only. 1 3s are 3. So here it comes 15. Again we get opposite signs. So we will subtract the number. 15 minus 4 it is 11. Sign of bigger term comes. So our other number is 11 by 3. This is our required number. So I hope it is clear to you the word problems of addition and subtraction. Thank you.